Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about color theory, color schemes and their derivations from nature. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ishwari Desai, architect, co-founder of the design studio The Rough Book. I make videos on NATA and everything architecture. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Starting with what is color theory. So, color theory is the collection of rules and guidelines which designers use to communicate with users through appealing color schemes in visual interfaces. To pick the best colors every time, designers use a color wheel and refer to extensive collected knowledge about human optical ability, psychology, culture, and more. Color theory is literally used by every designer, maybe from a graphic designer to a fashion designer to jewelry designer, an architect, and also the budding designers, as it is included in all the design exams like NATA, CEED, Uceed, NID, etc. Let's start with understanding the basics, starting with color theory, and it comprises of primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary color schemes. And its working is like you can see above. The color red, blue, and yellow are primary colors, and these are the three pigment colors that cannot be mixed or formed by any combination of other colors and hence are called primary colors. Further, with combination of any two primary colors, we have the secondary color. Like you can see above, combination of red and yellow leads to orange, combination of yellow plus blue leads to green, and combination of blue plus red leads to purple. And these three are the secondary colors. Moving forward, the addition of one primary color and one secondary color leads to tertiary colors, and this makes a color wheel like you can see the above image. And this color wheel is the answer to any type of design or visual arts which include colors. So according to color theory, harmonious color combinations use any two colors opposite each other on the color wheel. Any three colors equally spaced around the color wheel forming a triangle, or any four colors forming a rectangle. These harmonious colors combination are called color schemes. Now let's look in detail of these 6 color schemes and how they are derived from nature. Starting with the first one, that is monochromatic. This is the simplest color scheme because it uses a single hue from the color wheel. Let's take the example of paints and simply add color white to any of one color in the color wheel. An addition of color white or grey or black in different intensities leading to different shades of color are the monochromatic shades of that specific color. For example, this is a tertiary color and these are the shades achieved by the addition of the neutral colors. For further understanding, this is how there is a base color and the addition of black gives us different tones leading to the darkest shade, while a base color plus grey further leads us to the color grey, and the base color plus white further leads to pastel tints. The addition of black is called as shades, addition of grey in any base color is called as tones, and addition of white in any base color is called as tints. And the famous logo which adopted this color scheme is Oreo with tints of color blue. Also the logo of famous TV channel Animal Planet with monochromatic color scheme of color green. Here's another logo with similar color scheme, and here are the color tones mentioned. So basically any color with the addition of the neutral colors in different intensities gives us different shade, and that color shade is called as monochromatic scheme. Moving ahead to the next color scheme, that is analogous. So analogous colors are any three colors next to each other on the color wheel. For example, like you can see in the above image, orange, orange and yellow can be any three neighboring colors like you can see in the above image in the color wheel, and can have 12 different shade cards. Here are the two with which there are logos derived. That is the MasterCard, like you can see above, the orange, red and yellow orange. Also the logo of BP, Beyond Petroleum. So analogous color scheme can add up to another color in the shade card, like you can see above. The color blue, green and light green is added up to make the logo echoing green. Similarly, this is how it is derived from nature, like you can see in the above image. Here are the 4 colors neighboring each other derived from the nature, and also can maximum go up to 6 neighboring colors in the color wheel. So any neighboring colors from number 3 to maximum up to 6 colors in the color wheel is known as as an analogous color scheme. Moving ahead to the third color scheme, that is complementary. So complementary colors are any two colors opposite each other on the color wheel. So for example, blue, orange, red, green, and so on, like you can see in the above images throughout the color wheel. And these are the best colors which complement each other and are opposite in the color wheel, and hence are known as complementary color scheme. And this is how it is derived from nature, like you can see in the above image. And here are many more examples to how it is derived from nature. For example, in the logo of Hallmark, two opposite colors, that is the yellow and purple, are used. Also in the famous logo 7up, you see the color red and green complementing each other. To Firefox, Mozilla, Pizza, Krispy Kreme donuts, FedEx, and there are n number of logos derived from this color scheme. And these colors truly complement each other. Moving ahead to the next color scheme, that is triadic. So triadic colors are any three colors that are equally apart on the color wheel, like you can see in the image above. For example, the color red, yellow, and blue. So on the color wheel, a triangle which moves around with equal distance makes this color scheme. That is the color purple, red, green, or the color orange, yellow, blue, green, or violet red, like you can see in the above image. And this is how it is derived from nature. And also, just like complementary color scheme, this is another color scheme. Like you can see in the above image, triadic colors uses the power of three colors which sit 120 degrees from each other on the color wheel. This creates a geometric triangle shape on the color wheel. And the famous logo Burger King falls into this scheme. Also, the logos of Crush, Orange, Tide are combination of three colors on the color wheel. And here are the shades showing the same. Moving ahead to the next color scheme, that is split complementary. Like you can see in the above image, split complementary colors use three colors. The color scheme takes one color and matches it with the two colors adjacent to its complementary color. For example, purple, red, and green, like you can see in the above image. And this is how it is derived from nature. It's the same as complementary color but is split, that is blue and orange are complementary colors, and split complementary is the neighboring colors of one of the complementary color. And here are some magazine designs showing you the same. Like you can see in the above image, it says base color plus two colors adjacent to its complement. And here are the logos showing the same. Moving ahead is the last color scheme, that is tetradic. Tetradic or double complementary colors use four colors together in the color of two sets of complementary colors. For example, blue and orange is paired with yellow and green. So these are two sets of complementary colors, like you can see in the above image, and how it is derived from this sculpture. And these are the famous logo which adopt this color scheme, that is logo of Google, logo of Microsoft, and eBay. Also, every color has its own meaning and an emotion it caters to, and we should have a separate video for this. But for now, here are some logos which fall into the color schemes, and you can identify which color scheme it adapts. Also, some logos restrict itself only to one color or with a strong color plus a neutral colors like black, grey, or white, like you can see in the image above. So let me know in the comment section which logo falls under which color scheme. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. See you. Bye.